Welcome to Day 16, Adverbs, Part 2. This is the second part of the Adverbs lecture we started on Day 15. Continuing from our earlier lesson, let's look at the last two types of adverbs in Turkish. Adverbs of quantity and question adverbs. You can download the cheat sheet for this lesson by visiting the link in the description below and be a supporter member and do the exercises for this lesson. The link is also in the video description below. Also, you can learn more about being a supporter member by also clicking on the link in the video description. Let me know what you think about today's topic by writing a comment below. Don't forget to share your example sentences. Let's start. Adverbs of quantity answer the question ne kadar, meaning how much in the sentence. These adverbs can take place before or after an adjective, verb, or other adverbs. Adverbs of quantity have three subgroups. They indicate the equality, they indicate the comparison. From the comparatives, they indicate extremity for superlatives. Let's first see a list of adverbs of quantity. En, daha, pek, oldukça, çok, az, biraz, kadar, denli, gibi, fazla. When we're talking about equality, we use the adverb kadar, meaning as much as. Cennet kadar güzel bir yer. Okula gitmeyi sevmediği kadar iş yapmayı da sevmez. Çalıştığın kadar para kazanırsın. When we're talking about a comparison, we use daha, meaning more. Benim arabam senin arabandan daha hızlı. Bu sınav için daha çok çalışmalısın. Sanki bugün daha güneşli. If you want to talk about extremities, you need to use an, in addition to an adjective, meaning the most. You can also use çok and fazla, both meaning very, much, many, similarly to the an word. O çok güzel bir kız. En temiz ev benim evim. Amerika'da çok yabancı arkadaşım var. The last adverb we will learn in this lesson is the adverbs of question. These adverbs give us the reason and the meaning of the action through a question. Question sentences basically use adverbs of question. Let's see the list of adverbs of question. Ne, nasıl, ne zaman, kaçta, neden, niçin, ne kadar, ne biçim, ne diye. Here are some sentence examples. Neden geç kaldın? Ne diye beni aramadın? Annemler İstanbul'dan ne zaman dönecek? Bu ne biçim bir hayvan? İzmir'e gelmemize daha ne kadar var? Sometimes adverbs of questions can be used as interjections like in English. Ne güzel bir ev. Bana ne zaman geleceğini söylemedi.